Bijla Patel has 8 years of career gap, but she wants to start again career in software testing. So she joined STAD Solution for software testing training and got placed at One Way Cab as software tester. Let's hear from her.
Hello, myself Bijla Patel. I have completed my BE in computer in 2014. I have 8 years of career gap. Then I decided to start my career again in IT testing field. So one of my friends suggested me about STAD solution for a software testing course. Here I learned about manual testing, in which I learned how to test mobile application, web application and game application, and how to create testing related documents like bug report, test cases, test scenario, test plans, test reports. After manual testing, I learned about basic of automation, in which I learned core Java work automation tools like Selenium, Jira and Postman. After training, I got a job in One Way Cab. All the faculties are very helpful, and I especially thankful to Kashyapi ma'am, Arjun sir and Richa ma'am. I highly recommend STAD solution for those who want to start their career in IT testing field. Thank you.